Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out Paycheck 1's budget and going over Paycheck 2. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So, if you see the glare, I am sorry. It's cloudy outside, so I had to turn on the light, and it is showing a glare. So let's go over our budget and let's see how we did. So for our budget from August the 18th to August the 31st, in our expenses, we budgeted $367.67 for our phone bill, $369.89 for our car payment, $100 for Best Buy, $100 for medical, $99.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $50.64 for our home alarm, $21.79 for our Netflix, $16.19 for Audible, $16.15 for Amazon Prime, $6.53 for HP Inc., $5.40 for Patreon, $1.99 for Google Storage, $100 for our homeowner's warranty service call, and $45.71 for Afterpay. That came up to $1,301.95. In week one, we paid Best Buy $150. It was an overage of $50. Our medical subscription for $100, $50.64 for our home alarm, $21.79 for Netflix, $16.19 for Audible, $16.15 for Amazon Prime, $5.50 for Patreon, $100 for our homeowner service call, and $45.71 for Afterpay. That came up to $505.88. In week two, our phone bill for $667.67 came out. Our car payment for $369.89 came out. Homeowner's warranty for $99.99 came out. And that will be going up by $21 starting next month, I believe. $6.53 for HP Inc. and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to $846.07, which was an overage of $50. In our cash envelopes, we budgeted $300 for groceries, $200 for gas, $60 for personal, $60 for lunch, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $660. In week one, we spent $145 in groceries, $85 in gas, $15 in personal, $15 in lunch, nothing in miscellaneous, and nothing in household. That gave us a balance of $260. In week two, we spent $135.50 in groceries, which was a difference of $19.50. We spent $110 in gas, which was a difference of $5, which was a difference of $30. We didn't spend anything in miscellaneous, which left $20, and we didn't spend anything in household, which left $20. That came up to a total of $275.50. So when you add up what we saved, $19.50 in groceries, $5 in gas, $30 in personal, $30 in lunch, $20 in miscellaneous, and $20 in household. That came up to $124.50 that we saved in our cash envelopes. And in our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,151.95, minus the expenses of $1,301.95, minus the cash envelopes of $660, and minus the sinking funds of $140 that left a balance of $50. In week one, we took the $2,151.95 and subtracted the $505.88 from our expenses, $260 from our cash envelopes, and $140 from our sinking funds. That left a balance of $1,246.10, which was used in week 10. Week 10, we started out with $1,246.10. minus the expenses of $846.07, which was an overage of $50, minus the $275.50 in cash envelopes, which was a savings of $124.50. That left a savings of $124.50. After that $50 was taken from our savings of $124.50, that left us a balance of $74.50. So for our first paycheck in September, and I'm sorry, I think I said that we were closing out Paycheck 1, we were closing out Paycheck 2. So this will be our first September paycheck, and that's from September the 1st through September the 14th. In our expense category, we budgeted $980 for our mortgage, $261.52 for our utilities, $194.08 for our chiropractor, $168.06 for our car insurance. It went up by $2. $150 in Best Buy, and we increased this by $50 because I need to have it paid off by January in order to avoid getting interest, so we increased this by $50. Chase $132.17, Terminex for $89, Gym Fee $48, Audible $16.15, Canva Pro $13.12, and Google Suite $12.99. That came up to a total of $2,065.09. In our cash envelopes, we budgeted $300 for groceries, $200 for gas, $60 for personal, $60 for lunch, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $660. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,925.09, minus the expenses of $2,065.09, minus the cash envelopes of $660, and minus the sinking funds of $140. That left a remainder of $60. So fam, as you can tell, we did have some unexpected expenses come out, and we did increase our Best Buy card in order to get it paid off by January to avoid the interest. So if you've enjoyed this video, fam, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.